this tutorial, you will learn how to fix Marvel Rivals error, failed to connect to the server on PC. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now type the following commands: ipconfig/release, press Enter. ipconfig/renew, press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS, press Enter. Now restart your PC to apply the changes.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Proxy. Disable Automatically Detect Settings.
First, open your control panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your connection. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses in preferred server type 8888, in alternate server type 8844. Press OK. If 8888 didn't work, then type 1111.
Click on the Start button, then open Settings. Go to the Network section. Look for Advanced Network Settings. Go down to Network Reset. This will remove and reinstall your network adapters and set all your network components back to their original settings. Press the button to reset your network. Press Yes. Restart your PC to apply the changes.
First, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Drivers. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the driver for your network adapter. Press Next, restart to apply the changes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.